have to deal with these feelings. Shawty hate it, but she know that. Shawty hate it, but she know, baby.
Ooh, this feels so good. Okay, let's get back to business because I'm distracted. So I got a wigless. I got a wigless wig. No, I got a glueless wig, yo. It came in yesterday. You see it? You see this box? Okay. Came in yesterday. Came early. So unbox this wig with me, y'all, because I'm so freaking excited. Because to me, it's wig season. My hair gets to breaking off. Okay, with the scarves and the hats. But yeah, TikTok shop, guys. Oh, I got some goodies. Okay, so here is my, I forgot how many inches I got. Did I get 24 inch? I believe I got a 24-inch wig. This giving, y'all. And I'm short. Stop. Don't play with her. Do not play with her. Don't play with me. Oh, I got a new edge brush. I don't think I ever had a light pink one. Always dark pink. That's cute. I like that. Oh, they gave me a band. Melt the process. I got wig caps, good, because I'm all out of lighter colors. I got a bunch of dark colors. Oh, it came with lashes too, y'all. Okay, don't play with them. They came through. Ooh, look at the pamphlet. Look at that beautiful black queen. Like, it gives you how to care for it. Oh, and you get money if you tag the post. I'm gonna be tagging. Okay. We got the pamphlet. Oh, and I got a bag for my wig when I take this joint off. Cause one thing about me, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, that was a nice goodie bag. I like this. I got all the essentials. Some extra lashes for when I go out. Okay. Oh, I did get 24-inch. I got 24-inch glueless wig. It's straight, so let's see. Let's see what we working with, y'all. I'm excited. Y'all see I got my braids ready. Okay, oh. Ooh. Oh, it's giving. Oh, it's giving. It's giving, y'all. Ooh, that's soft. That's real soft. And the knots are bleached. The knots are already bleached, y'all. Okay. They bleached already. The knots are bleached. Oh, you telling me I can put this right on? That's not what you're telling me, because that's what it's giving. It's giving, it's calling my name. Ooh, and then I got the adjustments. Okay. Get into it. Yeah. Oh yeah. This, that'll do it, folks. That'll do it. Okay, and then, oh, this is giving hand stitched. Well, sewing machine stitch, but oh, okay, I like that. Got your band in there. Yeah. Oh, and it's adjustable. I need that. I need all of that. So let's see how it look without makeup. Before I put some makeup on it. It's giving island girl. That's what it's giving to me. It's giving giving. I'm gonna have to put some makeup on because I'm a little colored. I'm a little more colored. But do something about that. What was your piece? But yeah, it's gonna do it for me. It's full, y'all. It's really full. I'm definitely about to put some makeup on this junk because. Oh, these 24. Oh, baby. 24 inches is giving on me, love. It's giving. Okay, so y'all see how I look without the makeup and stuff. So I'm about to work my magic and do what it do because I'm a little colored. I need some more color, okay? So I'm gonna get my handy dandy Fit Me in 360 because that's my complexion and it matches perfectly for me. Color. So blend that right in. And then I've been seeing people use mascara on their parts. I don't even think I have any mascara, to be honest. I need to purchase some. Because even though I wear lashes all the time, I feel like mascara is essential for makeup. Like, you never know when you need some good mascara, you know? You just never know. The top is a little over bleach, so we're gonna do something about that as well. It's a little over bleach for my liking. Conceal. This part a little bit. I'm gonna do it on my head, cause yeah. And then way lighter than my fucking complexion, I'll tell you that much. But it's the lightest one I have. Man, I didn't expect this. Okay. Excuse the fuck out of me. Prove me fucking wrong. This should turn to my skin tone real quick. And we could just some color. Hey Alexa, play music.
Playing your personalized station, my soundtrack, from Amazon Music.
Hey Alexa, play Apple Music off my phone.
To listen to Apple Music, go to the Alexa mobile app and link your account. I've sent the details to your Alexa app.
Everybody feelings. never dealt with these feelings. Shawty hit it, but she know.